Today, I'm going to share my review about LibreCAD, a free and open source 2D CAD software that has gained attention as a cost-effective alternative to paid CAD programs. If you're a student, hobbyist, or a small business looking for a tool to handle basic 2D drafting without breaking the bank, LibreCAD is worth considering. Let's start with the pros. First, it's completely free and open source, which makes it accessible to anyone. It's also lightweight, meaning it won't eat up your computer's resources, and it works smoothly even on less powerful machines. The user-friendly interface is another highlight. Many users say it's intuitive and easy to navigate with the essential tools for precise drafting. LibreCAD also shines when it comes to basic 2D designs, making it great for blueprints, floor plans, or simple manufacturing components. Plus, it's cross-platform, so whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, you can use it without compatibility issues. And since it's open source, there's an active community constantly contributing improvements and support. Now, on to the cons. The biggest drawback is that LibreCAD has no 3D functionality. If you need 3D modeling, you'll have to switch to another program. Its DWG support, which is crucial since DWG is widely used in the industry, is also limited and sometimes unreliable. Some users report stability issues, crashes, and printing problems, especially when trying to get precise hard copies. Additionally, it lacks more advanced features like dynamic blocks, robust layer management, and automation tools, which professionals often rely on. Finally, while the interface is simple, some feel it looks outdated compared to modern CAD software. Unique tip: if you're just starting out, combine LibreCAD with free 3D modeling software like FreeCAD. You'll cover both 2D and 3D without spending a cent. Thank you for watching.